皆さん、日本語コースへようこそ. Hello and welcome to this Japanese for Beginners course. This is your teacher Rosie again, and I'm so excited to learn even more new things with you today. Now, before starting our new lesson, I would like us to review what we have learned in our previous class. Are you ready? Let's get started. I will repeat every word twice. Oi, oi, oki, oki, 小さい小さい安い安い高い高い新しい新しい古い古い暑い暑い寒い寒い長い長い早い早い好き好き嫌い嫌い悪い悪い同じ同じ少ない少ない必要必要うまいうまいおいしいおいしいすごいすごい近い近い遠い遠い新しい新しい簡単簡単楽しい楽しい優しい優しい怖い怖いかわいいかわいいつまらないつまらない面白い面白い低い低い Now that's all for our review of our previous lesson. Now, let's learn more about emotions. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, how do we say happy in Japanese? 嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい How would you say, oh, I'm not happy? 嬉しくない嬉しくない嬉しくない Lonely in Japanese can be 寂しい寂しい or 寂しい寂しい So it can be either with me 寂しい or with be 寂しい and it means exactly the same thing, lonely. Now, how would we say not lonely? 寂しくない寂しくない or 寂しくない寂しくない sad 悲しい悲しい悲しい not sad 悲しくない悲しくない悲しくない tired 疲れた疲れた疲れた not tired 疲れてない疲れてない疲れてない sleepy 眠い眠い眠い not sleepy 眠くない眠くない眠くない boring or bored つまらないつまらないつまらない or in a shorter way, more informal way つまんないつまんないつまんない I don't recommend using the second one with anyone unless they are your very, very, very close friends. Not boring. つまんなくない。つまんなくない。つまんなくない。So this つまんなくない from this one, from つまんない from bored. So we make the negative form of the adjective つまんなくない. If we would talk about this one, つまらない, then it would be つまらなくない。つまらなくない. Very good. Angry. So we have the verb 怒る。怒る to get angry. 怒ってる。怒ってる is continuous form. So if you want to say that you're angry, you would say 怒ってる。怒ってる。Not angry. 怒ってない。怒ってない。怒ってない。Shy or embarrassed. 恥ずかしい。恥ずかしい。恥ずかしい。Not shy or not embarrassed. 恥ずかしくない。恥ずかしくない。恥ずかしくない。To worry about something. 心配する。心配する。心配する。Not to worry. 心配してない。心配してない。心配してない。Surprised, to be surprised. びっくりする。びっくりする。So if you want to say to your friend that you got surprised, you can just say びっくり。びっくり。But if we're talking about someone got surprised, we say it as a verb びっくりする。びっくりする。Not surprised. びっくりしてない。びっくりしてない。びっくりしてない。Hungry. お腹がすいた。お腹がすいた。お腹がすいた。Thirsty. 喉乾いた。喉乾いた。喉乾いた。Nervous, to get nervous, to be nervous. 緊張する。緊張する。So if you're nervous, you can tell your friend, 緊張。緊張 or 緊張する。To fall in love. 恋に落ちる。恋に落ちる。恋に落ちる。To feel unwell. We can say it in two ways. The first one is 調子が悪い。調子が悪い。The second one is 具合が悪い。具合が悪い。Now, so we have learned different ways to call our emotions, right? And different verbs to describe the way we are feeling. Like, are we nervous? Are we hungry? Are we thirsty? But now, let's learn how to express our happy, sad, nervous emotions. And what things would we say in those situations when we're feeling like that? So the first emotions that we will try to express are happy emotions. So let's learn some happy expressions. やったね。やったね。やったね. It's like, yay, when you're happy about something, or when you were looking forward to something, you were waiting for something and it happened, you're like, yatta. Or when you're happy for your friend, like, yatta ne, like, yay. Next one is いいね. いいね. Nice. Like when your friend tells you about something nice that happened to them, and you're like, いいね. That's nice, isn't it? すごい。すごい。すごい。It's like, wow, that's so cool. That's amazing. やば。やば。やば. It's like, wow, crazy in a good way. It's like OMG, because yaba can be used also in a bad way. Raki, raki. So this is written in katakana, and if we translate it like from English, it would mean lucky. But it also means like, yes, lucky, like raki. So imagine your friend tells you, for example, I don't know, they got a boyfriend or a girlfriend and they went out on a really nice date, and you're like, raki. It's like, so nice. Wa, wa, wa. This is just like a sound expression when you're like surprised and happy at the same time, like, wow. Like, wow. Maji? Honto? Maji? Honto? Really? So both of these questions mean really. So you can use whichever you want. Now let's learn how to express our excited emotions. So let's take a look. Doki doki. Doki doki. Oh, this is exciting. So it's like when your heart is beating a bit fast, it's like doki doki, doki doki. So when I'm excited for something, I can say, doki doki. So it expresses my feelings. Kya, kya, kya. It's like, oh my goodness, that's so nice. Kya. Especially if you're on a date and something nice happens, or you receive a gift, you're like, kya. It's quite a cute expression, and a lot of Japanese girls use this. Waku waku, waku waku, waku waku. They can't wait, looking forward to it. It also kind of expresses the way your heart feels in that moment, like waku waku. Now let's move on to sad or disappointed expressions. Sokka, sokka, sokka. It's like, oh, right, I understand. So for example, your friend promised you something and they forget, and you're like, sokka, I see, right, I understand, but you're angry, you're disappointed. Shoku, shoku, shoku. It's like, oh, I'm shocked, I'm crushed. Eh? What? It's like when something unexpected happens, something bad, you're like, eh? Ah. Like, oh, too bad. Uso. No way. Uso actually means a lie in Japanese. But when someone says uso, it's like, oh, no way. Now, some angry, annoyed expressions. Mattaku, mattaku, mattaku. Oh, unbelievable that this happened. Muri, muri, muri. So actually, muri means impossible, but it can also mean like, nope, it's impossible, I will not do that. Hotoite, hotoite, hotoite. It's like, oh, leave me alone. He, ha, what? So you can use one or the other, it means what. Maji, maji, maji. Seriously? So before we used maji in an excited way, like, maji? Like, really? But if you say it in a different tone, it can express a different emotion. So using your tone correctly is really important with these expressions. And in this one, it means like, oh, seriously? Dame, 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 no. Or not allowed, but in this situation, it's more like no. Mo, mo, mo. It's like, ugh. Moi, moi, moi. Like, ugh, that's enough. I had enough. That's it. Otsukare-sama desu. You have worked so hard and you have finished yet another lesson with this Japanese for Beginners course. After this lesson today, you will be able to express your emotions way better. So, omedetou gozaimasu, and I will see you in our next lesson. Mata ne.